buffaloes is called beef. And next one is pork. Pork is the food which is obtaining from pig. Sometimes in our villages some members can eat the pig's meat also. Have you seen in your village? The meat from the pigs is known as a pork, and mutton is from goat and sheep. Have you ever seen, and I think you eat also, you eat that the meat that which is come from the goat and sheep is known as mutton. And next one is poultry. Now we are going to learn about poultry. Have you seen the picture? Have you ever seen the poultry farm? Yes. Next one is poultry. Production and rearing of hens on a large scale is generally called poultry. Yes or no? See the picture. The picture is the figure of the poultry farm. Have you ever seen the poultry farm? Poultry means production and rearing of hens is known as a poultry. And next one is 50 billion hens are reared worldwide for eggs and chicken. In our villages, mostly we rear local varieties like Natkolu. We get 74% and 64% of eggs from poultry farm. And we have that, we get that 50 billion. It is, see friends, the number is so bigger. It is 50 billion means see friends, 50 billion means it is so bigger. Yes or no? Yes. The 50 billion eggs hens are reared in our worldwide. Do you know what it means worldwide? The hens are reared in our world. Through world is nothing but earth. The 50 billion hens are rearing on our earth. In our villages, we rear local varieties like Natukolu. See the picture. First one is and second one is Natkolu. I think you have observed this in your village. Mostly these are reared in our villages only. So I think you see once in one day, I think. Yes or no? Yes. We get 74%. We get 74% and 64%. We get 74% of meat and 64% of eggs with the help of poultry farm. Yes or no? Yes. We get 74% of meat and 64% of eggs. Next one is India achieved the 4th position in the world by producing 41.06 million eggs per year. Also placed in 5th position for producing of meat about 1000 million kgs per year. And see here, our India got 4th position. 4th position for producing 41.06. What is that? It is meat or eggs? Yes, it is absolutely correct. It is eggs. for producing 1,000 million. What is that, meat or eggs? Yes, is absolutely correct. It's meat. Meat. Per twice or in 1 year or 2 years? Yes, 1 year. And next one is generally poultry farms are of two types. One, production of eggs, and second one is production of meat. See here friends, the poultry farms are of two types. First one is broilers, and the poultry farms two types. One is production of eggs and second one is meat. See here friends, do you know which hen is reared for eggs? Do you know anybody? Yes, it's absolutely correct. The layers are reared for eggs. And do you know which hens are reared for meat? Yes, wonderful answer. The broiler is reared for meat. And see here friends, do you know anybody what is the lifespan of layers and broilers? Do you know anybody? Yes, it's absolutely correct. The layers are the layers lay 300 to 350 eggs. 350 eggs in its lifespan, and the broiler is grow fully 6 to 7 weeks only. This is the reason for farmers mostly interested in rearing of broilers, because the broilers grow fully in a short time, that means 6 to 7 weeks only. So this is the reason for farmers interested to rear broilers. And next one is, see here friends, in the picture asil, and the second picture is hatching. Asil means you found in, see here friends, first picture asil, you found this picture in mostly Andhra side. Yes or no? Yes. The asil in Andhra side, so many farmers are interested to rear the asil because it fight against another hen, and next one is its stamina is more, and it's have wonderful pugnacity. Hatching. Next one is hatching. Do you know friends, hatching is not name of the hen. It is a process. That means hatching means the eggs is converted to chick. This process is called hatching. See here friends, hatching means eggs is converted into chicks, and this is called hatching. In poultry farm, the hatching is the hatching process is done by the machines, mechanized. That is means they use incubators. The incubators convert the egg into chicks. And the next one is apiculture. Apiculture means culture of honeybees. Apis is called apiculture. Do you know, friends? Do you find any honeybee in your village or in your school or in your surroundings? Yes, it's absolutely correct. And do you know, friends? The honeybees can produce honey. It is very tasty, no? Yes, it's wonderful. I eat this honey I like this honey very much, and I think you also like very much. See here, friends, apiculture. Apiculture means culture of honeybees. Culture of honeybees means nothing but the food we get from the animals is called the food means honey. We get honey, yes or no? Honey we get honey from the honeybees. So this is called apiculture, and in the apiculture 3 honeybees are there. The first one is queen. In picture, see the friends, first one is queen, second one is the drone, and third one is the worker. First one is queen and second one is drone, third one is worker. The function of the queen is lay eggs, laying of eggs. About 1800 to 2000 eggs per day, and the lifespan of the queen is 2 years to 3 years. And the next one is drone. Drone means it is the male part in the apiculture, and also it is a male part in the honeybees. The lifespan of the drone is 57 days only. And the worker, the function of the worker is collecting the honey and nectar. Collecting the honey and the nectar is the function of the worker. And next one is the lifespan of the worker is 6 to 7 weeks, not 27 to 57 weeks. And see here, friends, have you understand, friends? Yes or no? Yes. And queen is use. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, Sparrow.
Hello, Sparrow, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
From which school?
I am from Narsampet. This is Praveen Sparrow.
What is your name, Sparrow?
My name is Praveen Sparrow, sir. Praveen Sparrow.
Okay, what's your doubt, Sparrow?
What is pasteurization? How can it is useful?
What is?
Pasteurization. How the pasteurization
Yes,
is
wonderful.
useful?
Wonderful doubt from your Sparrow. Praveen Sparrow, I appreciate you. This is a wonderful doubt. I explain you what is pasteurization means. Pasteurization. Pasteurization means the process in milk is heated to 72 degrees Celsius in a definite period is and cooled it to below 10 degrees Celsius is known as pasteurization. See here, friends, especially Praveen Sparrow from Narsampet, the process in milk is heated to 72 degrees Celsius in definite period 30 minutes and cooled below 10 degrees Celsius is known as pasteurization. For example, see here, take a bowl and fill it with water, fill it with milk. This is a milk. You imagine this is a milk and keep fire. Keep it and heat it at a different period. That means 72 degrees Celsius. And at a different period means we heat the milk 72 degrees Celsius up to 30 minutes. That means 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we cool it below 10 degrees Celsius. Means why we are cooled it below 10 degrees Celsius means if we cool 0 degrees Celsius, the bacteria and microorganisms come and form into the milk. So if we keep the milk below 10 degrees Celsius, then it's slightly warm. So microorganisms and bacteria can't form in the milk. And I want to tell you the inventor of the pasteurization is Louis Pasteur. Okay, next one is apiculture.
Hello, good afternoon, Sparrow.
Hello, Sparrow. What's your name, Sparrow?
I am Janki Smari from VIII school at Khammam district.
Sparrow, what's your doubt?
From which animals we get maximum milk production?
Yes, it's wonderful doubt from you, Sparrow. See here, friends, the Sparrow asked that the Sparrow's doubt is from which animal we get high milk. That means foreign varieties. Foreign varieties means Jersey and Holstein. Jersey and Holstein is the foreign countries. The Jersey belongs to England and Holstein belongs to Denmark. They can give 25 meters. They can give 25 meters. They can give 25 liters of milk per day. These two cows can give good quantity and also high quantity of milk all over the world. And let's continue. Our topic is apiculture.
Hello.
Hello, Sparrow.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, what's your name, Sparrow?
My name is Sucharita from Bellampalli School.
What's your name, Sparrow? Hello, Sparrow.
Sparrow, I have one doubt.
What's your doubt, Sparrow?
In agriculture, what is the function of queen?
What is the
Function of queen?
queen?
Queen, yes.
Yes, the apiculture. The function of the queen is it's lay the eggs. The function of the queen is lay eggs. Lay eggs 1800 to 2000 per day. And also the period of the queen is 2 to 3 years. And next one is sources of nectar. Plants which contain nectar and pollen liked by bees are called the flora. See here, friends, the plants which contain nectar and pollen mostly liked by the honeybees is called bee flora. Nectar means nothing but it is in the flower. It's nothing but it is a juice to the honeybees. It is a juice to the honeybees. It is a juice to the honeybees is known as nectar. See here, friends, the pollen and nectar. Pollen is also nothing but nectar. This is only some difference is there between the nectar and the pollen. See here, friends, nectar is mostly liked by the honeybees, and also it is a juice to the honeybees. And also I want to say that the nectar plants like nectar plants like apple, fruits, apple, berries, and next one is cherries, etc. And vegetables means vegetables are lady's finger, and lady's finger and gherkin. Gherkin is nothing but in our daily life we eat. It is nothing but in Telugu dondakaya. Flowers like jasmine, rose, etc. Have you understand, friends? Have you understand, Sarah? Yes. And the nectar plants like fruits, apple, berries, cherries are the nectar peas and the vegetables, lady's finger and gherkin. Gherkin is nothing but dondakaya. Lady's finger and gherkin is the plants which contain nectar, belongs to vegetable plants. And next one is flowers. Jasmine and rose are the sources of nectar, and also we call this all the sources of nectar. These all are the called sources of nectar. The flower plants, the jasmine and rose, etc. Jasmine and rose contain nectar which is belongs to flower plants. This is nectar plants. See here,
Hello.
friends.
Hello.
Hello, Sarah.
Alright.
Hello,
Hello.
Sarah.
Hello.
What's your name, Sarah?
Good
Hello.
afternoon. Good afternoon, Sparrow.
Hello, good afternoon, Sarah. How are you? How are you, Sarah?
My name is Chandranila from Tadkol School.
Okay, what's your dad, Sarah? Hello, Sarah.
How can identify queen beans?
How can we?
Identify.
Okay, wonderful dot from you, Sarah. Apiculture, the queen and drone and worker is there. Your doubt is how can we identify the queen? In the picture, see, in the picture the queen is have very brightly and also the drone has light color. Yes, have you identify the drone? Yes, drone is have light color and also workers have some thick, but the queen has some brighter than the worker and the drone, and also it is some larger than the, and also we can find out that queen is only in the beehive. Only in the beehive. Okay. Have you clarified your doubt, Sarah? My conclusion is animal husbandry means providing food, shelter, production and breeding of animals is called animal husbandry. In our daily life, we see that animal husbandry means in our daily life we provide the shelter and protection. And next one is supplying clear and hygienic shelter is also very important in the animal husbandry. Next, poultry. Next, the poultry means the rearing of hens in a large scale is called poultry. And next one is pasteurization. This is my conclude. Animal husbandry means animals which providing food, shelter, protection and breeding of animals is called animal husbandry. And next one is providing poultry. Poultry means the hens which are reared in large scale is known as poultry. And the next apiculture means the culture of honeybees is called apiculture. Thank you.